To identify appropriate communication network, see, this is the kind of keyword that I have created. Like you can use more appropriate one if you got some other alternative ideas. You can use those ideas to search about a better communication network for your type of organization. For example, if it is a retail organization, so we need to find out what kind of services it are offering to the customers. For example, if it is offering online retailing, for example, if you take nearby more store, so maybe it want people to come to their store and make order, like generate purchase products and create order. So there are some organizations like Reliance Strange where you can log on to the online and you can create your order, and you can go to that store and you can pick them because it allows you to make orders online. So considering the type of the service, whatever the type of services it is offering, your network communication network should be discussing about this concept, like core concepts. So this kind of communication network is required for this organization is to be mentioned. Okay, so cross check what kind of services that are offered by your organization. So based on that you just select communication network. When you search for this kind of keywords, and if you identify, like you can identify different types of suggestions, like various types of methods that are adopted by the organizations, and you can discuss about those things. Okay, this is how you can select what are better options available for retail organizations. If you cross check more recent dates, then it is possible for you to identify more appropriate and more advanced communication network and technologies for specific type of organizations. Okay, so it all depends on the type of the business your organization is doing. That is point number one. Okay, point number two is selection of, like based on the type of the services it is offering, whether one type of communication network is enough, or like we need different types of communication networks. That should be evaluated. Okay, that should be identified. For example, as I told you, if it is a traditional type of retail store, maybe they might need technologies like cash boxes, in integrating it with cash box, integrating it uh, network cloud based networks. That means, for example, the database that contains the details about the products available and cost related to the products, everything will be, database should be maintained, right? The database will be on it's a central database and it will be used by different organizations that are connecting to that database. Okay, so if we have more organization, let us more will have several number of branches across the city. They all are using central database. Okay, central database which describes about the price of the product, and if they are offering any discounts, that will be updated on that. Okay, so when the person who is on till, like who is taking money and giving you the invoice or like receipt, uh, that person will be using the system, so he will be having cash box. Okay, when he can do different types of activities. We can cross check whether you give a valid currency or not. We will be having till boxes. Okay, so in that way, so if he need some central database, whether the database is kept on cloud or not, that should be included. Okay, so here our purpose is definitely whatever the net type of the network you are creating, that network will be integrated, or like that network should be so like some part, a part of your network, or complete your network should be on cloud. Okay, so whatever the type of service you are offering, that is important part of your work. Okay, just cross check this element. Okay, you need to cross check whether the organization, the network that is proposed contains any cloud related things or not. Okay, that is main thing. Next, let us go to marking criteria. Your document should be written based on the marking criteria. So here, distribute your work in this way: abstract 100 words, introduction 200 words, conclusion 200 words, and total research work that you do, that will be of 2500 words. So I suggest you to write first body content first, because these things can be fixed after completing your body part very easily. Okay, so let us start briefing about it. So logical flow leading the reader from start to finish on a clear path, addressing the assignment requirements, clear identification and description of new network adoptions and management recommendations for the improvement. See, here as we are dealing with, this is our main part, clear identification and description of new network adoptions. Let me do each part in different videos. I will describe it in the next video. Please cross check the next video.